course you did, brother. Good to see you, man.
Good to see you too, bro.
Yeah. Actually, give me a hand taking them in.
How did you get them in here?
Oh, I'll show you.
A lot lighter than mine.
41 and a half on the old bathroom scale that we just threw them on in the garage. Not bad at all. Actually, I'll take that in. Got my lunch, boys.
I was all hyped up. Like, yeah, we're going riding today.
That's what Colin said.
And then Colin's like, oh, they're going to be a while.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, boys. But first things first, we're going to zing off the rings. All right, be right back. 12.
1200?
Yep. Yep.
What made you choose these?
Weight.
Weight?
Size.
Size?
Lug.
Color.
Is that just about? Tell it. I'm glad I didn't turn the camera off there. I almost did. All right, we'll be right back, boys.
Pound.
51.
10 pounds tire.
10 pounds. 10 pounds of tire. Boys, here you go. No matter how you slice it. No.
Looks cool.
Yeah, it does.
Cool looking tire.
I think so. Trevor Braun. Good day, sir.
Good day, good day. Just leaving Stirling now.
Okay, we'll see you in a bit.
Yeah, if you think of anything in the next few minutes, give me a holler.
Yeah, right on.
I'm gonna stop at the beer store here and grab a little bit to drink.
Ah.
Need anything?
No, we already did.
All right.
Okay,
See you in a little while.
right on. Cheers. All right, she's the moment you're waiting for. You know it. We're gonna go test these damn things. Now, mind you, they got 20 pounds of air or so in them because we're stretching them out. We gotta get to getting some lights into this machine and swapping the brackets in this one to get them aligned. RJWC, well, actually, we found out for them that there was a bracket change they missed. So we're gonna realign these bulbs here and throw a set into that machine.
We're all set in that machine, and we have a couple of
customization.
Yes, right off the bat.
Trial and error. Why the hell? Let's
customize those ones today. See
Yeah.
what it looks like,
And we're gonna customize these ones too soon.
and you'll see how.
Yeah, exactly.
At some point, right?
Exactly. But we're gonna take a couple minutes. We're gonna go throw these through a snowbank or something.
You gotta watch. So the snowbanks are pretty stiff, bud.
Are they stiff and hard?
Oh yeah, they are frozen ice. So you might want to be careful with that.
I suspect you're. Dang all right.
Those lights look pretty sweet.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they do.
I don't know if the camera picks it up, but it looks sweet.
No, it seems to give it just this white bulby glow, but it's a different type of light.
Yeah.
It's like a Ghost Rider feel to
Yeah.
it. Let's get you to the shop before we all die. Okay, so they're not as lumpy in the crawl as I thought they were going to be.
Not bad.
Oh, they're pretty smooth. They're a lot smoother than I thought they were going to be. They're soft.
Yeah, they look wicked.
Yep. Brother!
They hook?
They hooked. They got 20 pounds in them and they're still soft. I just jumped off a bank. I don't know if it's my Elka suspension, but
They look like they like to slide around a bit.
swear. Right there. A lot smoother than I thought, boys.
'19 Ram Rebel. You were smoking tires there on Flitton Corner.
Yeah?
They're smoking. Wait.
But it keeps wanting to shift gears though, eh? Like so many.
I know, I just shift. It's the thing, right? Oh, you better ham down.
Whoa! There's some ice there, boys. Oh, they drop.
Oh, drifting her. Looks like they drift pretty good too. Yeah, those tires look sweet. It looks like they ride pretty smooth, so that's cool. Right on.
Well, I stand corrected, and I'm sorry, folks, because I thought they were going to ride rougher than hell, but
They're good, eh?
yeah,
They seem good. Oh, there's the old...
watch that hump there, eh? This guy goes a little, I think that'll be a nice shot. There's our buddy, Dirty Life. Those things are really bright.
They are bright, aren't they? Yeah, I noticed.
I got the lights
Even in the
on.
daylight, man, they're bright.
You've got high beams on too, right?
Yeah, they're
Yeah,
blinding.
that's kicking, man.
They're blinding.
Wow.
Right on.
Wow.
So yeah, we're just trying it out. They seem pretty smooth.
They're actually
Hey?
way smoother than the Intercoast. Way smoother.
I'm surprised.
So am I. I thought there'd be a lot of chatter at that real slow pace.
You'll like that when you get hammered down the road, man.
Shit, big time.
For sure.
Oh, they look wide. RJ sounded nice. Without a doubt. Yeah, man, they ride smooth. So smooth. I can't believe how much wider they look, though. Just that half inches. They definitely have
Whoa, we got
bigger
somebody.
profile. Yeah, I did the same thing. Wow, they look like they're gonna be fun. I almost went through the fence down there.
I seen that. It's all ice, eh?
Go to turn and it was just, woo, oh man, you're really down there.
Was it?
Yeah, that's all right. They were smooth.
They're really smooth.
What the hell?
That feels a lot different compared to
God.
my Assassin.
Oh, man.
Huge difference
They
there.
look wide.
Yeah,
They're
pretty
ballooned
soft.
out. They're ballooned out right now too, though, right? So, but damn,
You can
RJ
feel the weight
sounded
difference,
good.
I think,
Oh, I
man.
think so too.
I think you can feel it, yeah.
She
That's
come off
pretty
that
awesome.
bank nice, didn't she?
She did, yeah.
Couple nice shots there.
I like them.
Love it, man.
I like them.
Slow speed, bud. Slow speed.
Slow speed riding, bud.
Slow speed riding.
That's right.
Well, boys, that's our first impressions.
30s. Yeah, we measured 30 inch, yeah.
Way smoother than anticipated. Wow.
But they ride really smooth.
They
and
ride really
like-
good.
Yeah.
So they probably this is a tire in the summertime. You put the air shield will grow.
Yeah, they're 30. They measure 30.
Well, on the bike.
Yeah.
Off the bike?
No, that was off the bike. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, actually, they were closer to just a smidge. Yeah, no, they're 30s, man. They're 30s.
Just a smidge over
Yeah.
30, yeah.
Off the bike
They're saying 30.6.
Yeah, but-
actual tire measurements.
is 30. They are light. They are super light. You can feel it through the bike.
Yeah, I tell you, it feels
and
a
they're
lot
soft.
different.
They're jacked up to 20 pounds that come off that bank like a cushion.
No, but you don't feel any kind of,
Lumpy.
anything, nothing comes
Resistance,
through.
no resistance. There's like you got Zillows on there.
Yeah. It's like no vibration comes through in the handlebars whatsoever.
I know.
You put her in the snow and throw high gear in her?
Just through here, that was all high gear actually. First impression's pretty impressed with the smooth ride. And judging by how they just kind of grabbed and hooked and picked up, they're fucking. That's snow and ice.
Imagine how much air is in those tires compared to yours.
20 pounds right now.
20 pounds right now.
Oh, you mean in volume?
With
Yeah.
air.
Yeah.
It's probably almost twice as much air.
Oh, she gonna float. She gonna float. Man, they look wide.
They are wide.
They really are. Wow. They give them the perception that they're a bigger tire than they are.
Yeah.
Because they look big and bulky.
Yeah, when you're out there, it looks a lot bigger than your
Doesn't
other tires.
it? Yeah. Reminds me of the Outlaws,
Yeah.
the 31s.
That's right.
What's your other tire look like outside it?
Small. Right? Yeah.
They are a smooth tire, man. Yeah,
Oh
they're
no,
smaller.
come. You're looking at an inch.
Yeah, they're smaller.
But of course, there's no air in the starter now and anything, boys.
It's definitely gonna float a lot better, hey? If that's what you're into.
We like to play in the water.
Let's get the S-Cross coming, no doubt. Skating on all.
That feels a lot different than mine, I'll tell you.
Does it ever?
Oh yeah, you can feel the weight of those tires. Like,
Well, honestly, I feel like I've been released a little bit now. I don't have to be as cautious with certain shit. Those were deadly. These feel like I got way more control on the bike now. I can play around and donut around and, you know, that's snow, of course, but
It is in a false sense of security.
it is for now. Once you hit some soft stuff, I have a feeling they're just going to hook every which way, sideways, you name it.
we'll find out, won't we?
We're going to
For
find
sure.
out. But now we're going to jump onto the RJWCs. Let's get these bulbs and
Get those fixed, get those ones
get something in there.
Yeah, for sure.
Man, it looks just killer.
We did that.
We did. Before we even rode it,
double
of course.
check mine,
Lost
too.
the skid plate, boys, so
These are
keep
all
your
loose,
eye on
like to
them.
the point of falling out.
Well, you know what?
Like you would not notice your skid plate. You'd look under
Just
there
drop
one day
right
and
off. You
there'd
know
be no
what?
skid
But
plate.
that's hard compound vibration through the bike, boys. You can see on camera when I'm doing 90 down the highway, the bike is getting that. It's still, you know, and
You're gonna go a lot faster now, a taller tire and lighter.
I say we hook up beside the popo and see who leaves who in the ass and dust now.
Yeah, well.
Yeah, I was keeping up with these almost with an interco. These babies gonna hook up and show you what the Can-Am
Oh, look at the difference.
really about.
Shane's bike.
Goodbye!
Yeah.
Goodbye!
Shane's bike rocked me compared to yours and Bill's.
With the silverback, right?
Oh, rocked me.
Fuck it. So these do too.
This is gonna run by you, bud! Woo! Grease lightning!
Whatever.
Bye-bye, Mr. Polaris!
I should have manually shifted and put the locker on.